let's start with a quick tour of the software. When you log in for the very first time, you'll see this screen. Here is your canvas, with the first tab being your manuscript. This area holds all the copy that you create. Now, if you glance over to the left-hand side, you'll find your input section. This is where you enter the details needed for crafting your copy. Once you fill in these details, pinpoint specifics, choose different formulas, select the copy type, set the tone, and enter your details. After you've entered everything, click on Craft My Copy to generate a powerful agency-level sales copy. There are various types of copy you can create, such as long-form sales pages, short-form sales pages, landing pages, website content, ads, and more. And there's so much more you can do. The AI is designed to deliver professional, agency-level results. You can also choose your tone. Options include persuasive, bold, authoritative, empathic, urgent, sophisticated, educational, and more. Then you can select the formula for your copy. There are several options like the AIDA formula, the PACE formula, the BAB formula, and others. Additionally, you have the choice of determining the length of your copy, short or long. That's it for the copy creation part. Now, let's quickly move on to the page builder. Before diving into the page builder, let me show you the social engine. You have the ability to repurpose your copy into a multitude of social media posts instantly, such as for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, LinkedIn, Google Ads, email copy, and much more. There's so much more you can do here. Let's quickly go back and click on Copy. On your end, this is a sample copy. If you're ready, you'll need to create a new project. Click on Create a New Project to begin. This demo is here to help you understand how to use the software effectively. So let's continue. Once you click on your copy, you'll see various toolbars with options to save as a doc or PDF and to manually edit. You can also use AI to edit, auto-polish the text, and repurpose it right there. Now, let me show you the Build Page feature. When you click on Build Page, you can instantly create a page with your copy. Simply input your details and choose the type of page you want to build, such as a sales page, landing page, or lead capture page, and so on. Once you're done, you also have the option to upload a copy or document. You can upload a document, like a PDF, and the AI will extract knowledge from this to write your copy. Remember, the AI already has your copy from the manuscript, so it's all automatic. You won't need to paste your copy again. Choose different fonts, and for images, input your image links so the AI can map them accordingly on the page. For these images, you can upload them to your WordPress site or page builder and use the image links from there. You can also utilize Google Photos or other image hosting services. Here, you can enter your logo URL and other details. You can add a visual reference by entering images or PDFs of the page style you're aiming for. Once done, simply click Prepare, and it will prompt you with everything you need to start building your page. After this, you can refine the page section by section. You can adjust the background, text, headlines, colors, and more according to your preference. Additionally, you can manually edit the text and colors on the page. Just click on the text to resize or adjust, like changing it to 50 or 60. Let's try a size of 60. As you can see, it's now 60. For desktop, let's try 80. 80 it is. This is just a quick demo. I'll be creating tutorials for the different features of the software. There's so much you can achieve with FunnelCraft AI. Once you're finished, simply click on Copy Code. You can copy the entire code and paste it onto your website. There are numerous possibilities. Let's talk about the Creative Studio. Here you can create image and ad creatives as well as social media posts using the Image Studio. The Image Studio offers a lot of options. I've mentioned the social engine before, but with the funnel plan, you can map out your funnels, plan everything, and get a summary to assess your funnel's profitability. Additionally, our Academy offers educational resources on funnels. We'll keep updating it with more training over time. This has just been a quick demo. While it might not cover everything, this tool is incredibly powerful for your business. Explore it, and you'll be impressed with the results. We'll see you in the Academy. Remember to check back for updates, including new videos, training sessions, and courses to help you master the platform. Thank you for trusting us. We're excited to see the results you'll achieve with FunnelCraft AI.